uNgqongqoshe uDlamini-Zuma uthi imbangela enkulu yokubulawa kwamakhansela ukubangwa komnotho nemali.
We cannot address the violent killing of councillors without remedying the structural issues that determine the material conditions of ordinary South Africans.
Kodwa iDA iyaphikisana noDlamini-Zuma.
I differ strongly with the minister. This is not a South African problem. It is an ANC problem. I seriously sympathize with all the colleagues in the House who have lost friends to this scourge. But you must clean your house.
Amanye amalungu eshamthetho esifundazweni eEastern Cape athi izinga lokubulalana liyakhathaza.
In this 17%, the research has found that most of these matters are pre-planned.
I-EFF iphakamise ukuthi kufundiswe ngezombusazwe.
Political parties must educate their members about political tolerance and the essence of democratic contestation. For political assassination are caused by a lack of provincial leadership battles of power and internal factions within the structure of the ANC in the provinces.
Kanti Freedom Front Plus ithi ANC yayiyeka ukukhomba ngenjumbane zakhamuzi ngalokhu.
In September this year, President Ramaphosa announced that up to 300 councillors were killed in South Africa in the recent past. According to him, the cause of the killings varies, but he focused his address on service delivery protest action in municipalities.
Kusenjalo iIFP ithi yona ukubulalana kudalwa izimo zomnotho ezibhekene nezakhamuzi zakuleli.
Politically motivated violence is one of the leading threats to electoral democracies, particularly to emerging democracies such as ours, which is still considered relatively young.
Iziphathimandla zamaphoyisa zithi sezibeke ezobunhlolo ukulwisana nalehlava.